Today we are gathered to celebrate the graduation of SLC Class 19-006. For the past 3 weeks, these NCOs have learned various leadership competencies and attributes to include counseling, coaching, mentoring, Army writing, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills to prepare them as leaders for their respective recruiting retention battalions throughout the nation. At this time, it is with great pleasure to introduce the Strength Maintenance Training Center Team Chief, Master Sergeant Christopher Setterstom. Sergeant Setterstom began at SMTC just a little over 2 years ago. He began at the SLC Academy as a small group leader and then transitioned over to Sergeant Young Hall as a team chief. I present to you Master Sergeant Christopher Setterstom.
Morning, I didn't realize I was going to do a short bio there. Good morning. First, I want to, of course, congratulate all of you. Some of you are going to go home and get promoted, right? Okay, some of you are going to go home and keep that promotion that you got a few years ago that you completed SLC, so congratulations. Before you go, I do want to cover a few quick things. Your families, I'll start very quick. First thing is, now that you've completed SLC and you are looking at a promotion, more than likely you're going home to greater responsibility. With that, the last 3, probably 6 years of your career has been all about me, right? I'm a recruiter. I need to go out there and make mission. How am I going to be Chiefs 50? How am I going to outshine everybody else and do the right things and put people in boots, right? Our focus from this point forward really needs to shift. Everybody's tracking? It's got to shift. Now you got to figure out how am I going to get those around me to succeed and get to where I'm at today. Right now we've got a lot of E4, E5 brand new recruits. You guys have probably seen them filtering through your units. Is that right? A lot of them I've heard it from most of you already. We've got a lot of brand new recruits. They need that leadership and they need that mentorship. And you need to understand that they're looking at you 100% of the time because they want to also become Sergeant First Classes. They also want to get to SLC and become leaders just like you are today. So you got to be on your P's and Q's. You got to always do the right thing. You got to make sure to take care of these young soldiers. Pretty easy. All right. You've all been charged with that. Now that you've graduated SLC, and you're going to go on and do great things. Just take care of those young soldiers and make sure they're doing the right thing so that they can also be successful. And the last thing I want to talk about is make sure that you're still having fun in the job and that your new recruiters also know how to go out and enjoy being a recruiter. We've got the best kept secret in the military. We've got the best job in the military. Every day you're putting on that uniform, you're working with your communities, you're inspiring young future soldiers to go and do great things, and it's a lot of fun. So stay integrated in your communities, teach those new young recruiters how to have fun doing the job, and be successful. That's all I have. I appreciate your time. Again, congratulations, travel safe, and hopefully we see you back here within the next 24 months at RLC. Thank you.
Thank you, Master Sergeant, for those words of encouragement.